How to earn money from YouTube in 2025. Beginner friendly. Think YouTube is just for fun? What if I told you it can actually become your full-time income stream, even if you never show your face? Quick summary of the video. In this video, I'll show you exactly how YouTube pays creators, 6 proven ways to earn, and tips to get started fast, even with 0 subscribers. Make sure to watch till the end to learn the secret monetization method most new YouTubers overlook. 1. How YouTube pays creators. Explain AdSense. YouTube shows ads on your videos. You earn money per 1,000 views. CPM, cost per mila. Requirements: 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. CPM varies. $1 to $5 for entertainment, $10 to $30 for finance or tech content. Faceless channels like animation, whiteboard, slideshow, and AI narration also qualify. 6 ways to earn money on YouTube. 1. AdSense revenue. 2:00 to 2:30 main income source. Works best with high volume videos. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products in video descriptions. Earn a commission for sale. Tools: Amazon Associate. Impact: Digistore 24. 3. Sponsored videos. Brands pay you to promote their services. Even small channels with good engagement can get deals. 4. YouTube channel memberships. Fans pay monthly for exclusive content. Works well for loyal audiences. 5. Selling digital products, courses, ebooks, templates, etc. Add a link in your video description. 6. Print on demand. Merch. Sell t-shirts, mugs, etc. Platforms: Teespring, Printful, Spreadshirt. Second bonus: Faceless automation. Use AI tools for voiceover, editing, and script writing. Great for people who don't want to appear on camera. Tools: Pictory, ElevenLabs, Canva, ChatGPT. 3. How to start as a beginner. Choose a niche: tech, motivation, finance, AI, tutorials, etc. Plan content. Use ChatGPT to generate video ideas. Tools: Pictory, turn text into video. Canva, create thumbnails. TubeBuddy or vidIQ for SEO and keywords. Upload schedule. Stay consistent, once or twice weekly. 4th secret strategy: high CPM niches. Focus on niches like personal finance, online business, tech reviews, software tutorials. These niches get higher ad rates and attract sponsors. You don't need a fancy camera or even your face to succeed on YouTube in 2025. Just start smart, stay consistent, and let your content work for you. Encourage. Like, subscribe. Check links in description for affiliate links or free tools.